everyone! Welcome to my channel. Kumusta kayong lahat? In today's video, we're going to have a demo drive and road test using Honda CRV 2020. The Honda CRV was one of the very first compact crossovers in America about 23 years ago. Today, the CRV has grown to become the best-selling Honda in America with nearly $400,000 sales in 2019. For 2020, Honda is making slight tweaks to the styling and introducing a first-ever CRV hybrid, which is their first hybrid SUV in America.
Japan.
Is this your new car?
Not yet.
Wow.
You have a little conversation mirror, so if you want to watch her in the back.
Oh, I see. This one.
What's her name?
Rosie.
Rosie. She's cute.
And where's the lights? Like, this one on that.
I put it so whenever the door opens,
Right.
the light will go on. You can just put it off. So that whenever the door, I just hit that.
Okay. Can I go in
We're gonna go
asphalt road?
Yeah, we're gonna go up here and then take a right. We're just gonna make a big loop around. It's a little different than a Corolla.
Right.
A lot different. Oh, good, no traffic. We're gonna go up over the train tracks, right down there. How does it feel?
It's good.
And then we're just gonna go straight. I see the turquoise, see the green.
Yeah.
Just means you're getting the best fuel economy.
Nice.
You live around here.
We're living in US1 commercial.
Okay, so not too far. And you know Roman?
Yeah.
Oh, how you know him?
Well, I used to work with him
Oh, nice.
before he got the job in
Yeah.
Honda. Yeah, he was working at I work at the hotel
Oh, nice.
before he was working at the hotel. It's good. So like this one has like 3 years manufacturer.
Yeah, 3 at 36,000, and then 5 years, 60,000 on the powertrain. So up eventually. We're
Can
gonna
you
take a
explain
right.
the 5 years powertrain?
Yeah, so the 5 years, 60,000. The big pieces: the engine, the transmission.
That's the
The
powertrain.
yeah, exactly, the powertrain.
Yeah. How
So-
about the 3 years?
3 year is anything mechanical. Let's say the radio stops working. Let's say
Right.
the window won't go down. The locks don't work.
Right.
Anything mechanically based. Up at the second light, we're going to take a right.
The second light. Okay.
Yeah. So anything mechanical. Now, shouldn't have any issues for many years.
Right.
They just go, oh no, this one more. We'll go to Broward. Yeah, I think that's Broward. So you shouldn't really have any issues. You're doing oil change.
Oil change is free.
No, you gotta pay for oil change.
How much is the oil change?
I want to say it's 45. I don't do the oil change,
Right.
but I think it's around 40 or 50.
Yeah.
Actually, you know what? We can take a right. Skip all this traffic.
Right.
Too much.
So
So you're gonna go around 7,500 miles between the oil changes. The car, there'll be a little wrench that lights up.
right
When that wrench lights up, it means you have 20% oil life.
here.
Yeah, right on the dash on the left hand side.
Where
know-
here? This one.
Right over here somewhere.
Oh, okay.
Everything, I know I'm telling you a lot of stuff,
Right.
but everything is on the owner's manual, so if you ever don't know, just do an oil change.
Right.
I'll tell you specifically.
So like, when do I do oil change? How many miles?
7,500.
7,500.
Exactly.
Because it's new, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Should I go straight?
Take a right. Is this Andrew? Yeah, this is Andrew. This is perfect. Good, we avoided all that traffic. Yeah, so 7,500.
And this is synthetic oil.
You can use synthetic.
Oh, what's the recommendation? Like the regular?
If you ask one mechanic, they'll say synthetic. If you ask another, they'll say not.
Oh,
It doesn't come with synthetic, but if you wanted to change to
yeah.
synthetic,
So this is the oil here right now is not synthetic.
not synthetic. Right. If you want to change it to synthetic, then you have to always use synthetic. You can't go back and forth.
Hey, what happened?
Oh, so now the car is shut off. Take your foot off the brake just a tiny bit.
Okay.
So if you want it to not shut off,
That's the icon.
exactly. Is it on? See that little A?
Yeah. So
Idle, stop, enable.
that's the economic, right?
No. So econ is to get you better mileage.
Okay.
The automatic shut off,
Yeah.
idle, stop. So you saw how the car shut off?
Yeah.
The engine will shut off when you're at a stop to save gas. If you don't like that, then you hit this button and it shuts it off. So right now it's enabled, so if we stop,
Right.
it shuts the engine off. If you don't want that, you hit it again, and now it's disabled. So now it won't shut off, it'll always run.
Nice. But what's your like recommendation? Should be
So I don't like when the car shuts off, because you felt it shut off. I don't like that, I hate it. So I always shut it off. Once you get used to it after a week or two, you won't even think about it. But for me personally, I only drive 2 miles to work.
Right.
So I don't really care about mileage, and I don't care about that stuff.
Oh.
Just because I put on 3,000 miles a year.
Right.
So for me personally, if you're driving to work and you're going
right.
5, 10, 20,000 miles a year, then you want to get the best mileage. Gas is cheap now, but eventually it'll get more expensive. So we're going to go up, and eventually we're going to get in the right lane to take a right. When we get back, I have a customer in finance. I have to just grab his license plate and put it on his new car. So I just have to do that for 3 minutes.
Okay.
I don't know if he's
Here?
No, one more. After the train, see that blue car? We'll follow him. And then just follow that blue one. He's going to take a left after the fence. We're just going the back way.
This one.
Yeah. How does this feel? Isn't that nice? We sell a ton of CRVs because it's nice and big on the inside, but on the outside it's not a huge, it's not like a huge vehicle.
It's 5 years, right?
Yep, 5 years or 60,000. So we're gonna follow that. Oh no, don't follow him. Keep going fast after that.
3 years is the.
Bumper to bumper.
Is that including like tire?
No, tires, brake, we take a left in here.
Left?
Yep, right here.
Here?
Yep. Tires, brake pads, brake rotors, windshield wiper blades are not covered. That's all wear and tear. And we can pull around to the front right where we were parked before.
it's not included. Brakes.
Correct.
How do I connect, let's say, my phone?
Oh, very easy. We're gonna actually do that. You know what? Just pull straight ahead to the left. Right in there. No, just pull straight.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Just keep going.
Like here?
Yeah. There's no parking here at all. I just park it anyway because I'm special. All right, you have your phone?
Yeah.
So just put the Bluetooth on.
Okay.
So all we can do is press phone. I'm gonna let you do it. Just so you, yeah, phone. Would you like to pair a phone now? We're gonna dial down to yes.
Yes.
And
Can I also touch those ones?
not a touch
No?
screen.
So this is the selection.
Yeah. So now it should say hands-free link. So hit hands-free link. 318110 pair. You can pair up to 6 phones.
Oh, I see.
So now see that little Bluetooth? That's your Bluetooth, that's your battery, and that's
Right.
your 3 bars.
Right.
So now, do you have music? Press allow. Play some music. Just anything at all. On your phone. Just turn it up. Keep going. Okay. So now I'm going through Bluetooth. It's streaming it through Bluetooth. More storage here. And there's another power outlet here. So see, I have Pandora. If I press it again, it's through Bluetooth. You can do it either way. So like I have iTunes.
Yeah.
So if I had iTunes, I would press media twice.
Okay.
If you have something plugged in,
Yeah.
you could also use the USB. But I'll go back to USB.
Okay.
Now you can pair up to 6 phones to pair. Let's say you want to pair your phone.
Yeah.
All you would do is
That
you
one.
would shut your Bluetooth off just to pair it,
Yeah.
and then press this and just say, "Would you like to pair a phone?" Say yes, and then you do the same thing.
Okay.
Really simple. If you put the I'm gonna shut that off. If you just so you know how the radio works, the radio you have FM1.
Like-
go to that station.
Yeah, like let's say I'm gonna clear.
You can't clear it. You just have to replace it.
Ah, I see.
So number one-
you just
Yeah.
then hit this one
And hold it down till you
and
hear
then
a beep.
overlap.
Exactly.
Okay.
Now you have 1 through 6. If you hit FM2, you have 1 through 6 on there, so you have 12.
What's the FM2?
You have
AM?
six more, nope. Then you have
Oh.
AM. 1 through 6. So if you ever listen to AM, you have 6 stations. FM1 is 6, FM2 is 6.
It's like a continuation.
Exactly.
Okay.
So if you want 6 and she wants 6,
Yeah, okay.
but she goes first. She's more
Right.
important.
Okay.
And then you get this.
And what's this?
That's for your bass, treble, and balance.
What's that?
Your bass.
Like
So if you go bass, see how time flies in?
right.
You want more bass.
Yeah.
And then you want more treble. You always want one less on the treble than the bass. Yes. Middle is the middle,
Yeah.
front to back, and left to right. SVC is the sound control. The faster you go, the louder the radio goes. So when you're going 80 on the highway, the radio goes up to compensate for the noise.
Okay.
If you want to change it to either off or
Right.
low, middle is a nice range,
Right.
or high.
Right.
When you're done, you set that up. It goes back. And then shut it off. Oh, and then put your foot on the brake. Put it in reverse. Don't move. Put it in reverse. So there's your backup camera. See that one? That's looking straight down at the ground. That's the bumper. That's the license plate.
Okay.
That's the wide view. See how wide it is?
Yeah.
That's the normal view. It's not quite as wide. And that's looking straight down. That's, if you're going to park near a car, that dotted line is where the trunk will open. So if there's a car parked really close, like right here, you open your trunk, you're going to scratch your trunk. If there's somebody from here to here, they're too close.
This is wait. So what's the dotted line again?
If you open the trunk, if there's a car parked right here,
Yeah.
you're going to scratch your trunk.
So make sure that the car is behind the
At
dotted
least
line.
that line or further.
Oh, because when you open the trunk, it's the dotted.
I'll show you. right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if
So it should be the car should be.
exactly, give yourself plenty of space. There's gonna be a quiz on all of this, so I hope you remember.
I know.
No, it'll take a week, and then you'll get used to everything.
Like now I forgot they did the parking.
Oh, just remember, pull it up. Is it on?
It's on. So it's now it's parked, right?
Are you in drive? Oh, you're in
Instead
reverse.
in reverse.
Yeah, so put it in park. Yeah, and now it's on. Now push it down. Put your foot on the brake, and now push it down. Did you hear that little noise? Did you hear it?
Yeah.
It goes. Really close. Listen really close. You heard that? I'll put you from the brake. You can hear a little creepy little noise.
So this one, what's the function for this one?
No,
again?
that should be brake. You can maybe pull lever.
Oh, I see. I got you. Because I
The gas in the trunk and the hood release is down on the left.
this one?
The top is the gas. Just pull around exactly, and then the trunk is
And what about this one?
that's for your hood.
The one.
Yep, in the front exactly. Now the phone, if somebody calls you, we paired your phone. It'll say their name and phone number. If you want to pick it up, that's the pickup. The phone being picked up. If you want to hang up, press that. If you want to call somebody, you press this one. So if you press that and say call Bob, you'll call Bob. Nice.
Now
I'm gonna go check and see if he's ready.
Yeah.
I'll be back. I'll meet you at my desk in a few minutes. I'll just push it in and back.
you like it, Yabs?
Mm-hmm.
Mura mag-electro.